Tahoe. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another update. This time we have iOS 26 crystal glass or liquid glass version for you guys. So this is the last update, the public version for everybody. You don't need any more Apple developer account, so you can install to any iPhone from 11 to iPhone 16. So without any further ado, we have to go to setting, we have to go to general. Here in general you have to go to software update, go inside. My iOS 26 updated to RC, that is release candidate beta version. This is the last version of iOS. So you go inside, you'll see this one immediately. If you don't see this one, that means your phone is not eligible. So which phone are supported in this case? From iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16. If you don't see this one, that means your phone is not eligible for this iOS. That means you have older version than iPhone 11, iPhone X, iPhone 9, 6, 7 will not have this update according to my knowledge. This time you see beta version, beta updates are off, so you don't need any Apple developer account for this. You can install directly. But before that, I recommend, as always, you have to back up your phone. It's very important in case if you want to go back, you want to revert, if some problem happen in your phone, you want to go back, it's always better to have a backup. So go here in your name, Apple account, iCloud more option. Inside here you'll see this option, iCloud 5 gigabytes. iCloud gives you 5 gigabytes of data free. If you have more photo, more video, then you have to purchase more, 1 terabyte something as this. Normally if you not put all the photo video there, you can easily back up in 5 gigabytes. Okay, so here you see iCloud backup, click this one. Here you see option backup now, hit this one, then hit continue. It's backing up, we have to wait a bit. So backup is done, we go back here to update option in general, software update. And here we go, you'll see at the middle perhaps or at the bottom, doesn't matter, wherever. Hit update now, but before that check you have to have full battery or connect with the charging source, because at the middle if it is stop or something, your phone gonna break, you'll have a problem. So after doing all that, come here, hit update now. You have to put your passcode. After putting passcode, update requested, you can see here it's 9 gigabytes of software, so you have to wait, depends in your phone. Some phone could have more, some phone could have less. So let's see. So you see about 50 minutes remaining. Meanwhile I will go and grab some tea and coffee, then I'll be back. After restarting couple of times, it comes to this screen. You see software update is up to date to iOS 26. If you are coming from older version, you'll see crystal glass or liquid glass finishing here. Let me slide down. In sliding screen you'll see differences as this. You have to put your password. Turn on iCloud, I don't use iCloud. You can turn on, depends what you want. Okay, in this case, if you are coming to older version, you will see all this thing new. So this is iOS 26 if you are coming from 18.6. More than 100 type of new things you have in iOS 26 than 18. If you tap here at the middle, at the corner you see edit button. You have customize option, so you can customize your skin if you want different type of icon, default icon, the old one. And if you want clean glass finishing, liquid glass finishing, you can put here clear. You have dark version, auto, day and nights. I like more light version, you leave here. Then if you go to wallpaper, you have brilliant wallpaper. I tap here. So it will go as this. You can click plus button, then you can see the wallpaper loading. So you have iOS 26 wallpaper here. They are glass design, so you can add anything as you like. You can make 3D wallpaper. Recently I make a video how you can make 3D wallpaper on your iOS as you like. Here this wallpaper can change day or night. You see how beautiful it is. You can change the color and tone as you like. Here I tap here and you can hit customize option. You can resize your cloak, you see, as you want. You can add widget. The wallpaper you can put 3D, not 3D. Many options you have. Different video. I'll make one new video to explaining all the feature of iOS 26 very soon, in couple of days. And you have the icon, you can add or delete, you can do many things. So if you are coming from iOS 18.6, you will see a lot of changes in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.